Welcome back to the Content Manager Training Playlist. In the last video, we made a new landing page. In this video, we'll learn how to use the new hero image. When editing a landing page, you'll see a section under the slideshow with a checkbox and a drop-down menu. Checking this box will make the slideshow section disappear from the editor view. Once this happens, we can start adding a new hero image. We'll just click the Add Hero Types button, which will give us a drop-down menu with a few different options. We're currently set to none, so we have two other choices to pick from. The first one is Slideshow, and the other is Full Width Image and Video. Let's choose the Slideshow option first. Just like the old slideshow, we can pick an image to display as our header. For now, we'll just pick the stock image, but we'll see that we have more options now to customize how the hero image will look. First, we're going to choose a text position to either align left or right of the image. We'll pick left in this case, and then we'll pick a background color. We have two colors to choose from, gray and scarlet. The default option is also gray, so we'll stick with scarlet instead. Now we'll enter a headline. This works like the header in the old hero image, so we suggest picking something that's short but eye-catching. Let's just add some filler text from a document into the space below. Next is the subheader, which displays right underneath the header. For this field, we suggest providing some more detail about the page's content in one or two sentences. We'll also just paste some filler text in this area. Under the subhead are your button fields. Unlike the old hero image, the new hero image has a total of 2 buttons that you can have. Lastly, you can add another hero image by clicking the Add Slideshow button. Doing this lets you create a carousel just like your old hero image. The other new option is titled Full Width Image and Video. As the name suggests, this new hero gives us the option of having either a large image or a video on the page. To choose an image or a video, we'll click the Add Media button and select which one we want. Images here work just like the slideshow, where we can find one to either embed or upload before we move on to the title, description, and link fields. The title is the header for the new hero image, so we'll just paste some filler text here. The description field can either be just plain text, or we can make it into a link. If we do make it into a link, then the description text is going to become link text after we save it. But what if we want to use a video instead? After we click the Add Media button, we'll select the Local Video tab. Videos here work differently than in other places, since we need to actually upload a video locally instead of embedding it from an external site like YouTube or Vimeo. Before uploading a video though, there are a couple things to keep in mind. The first thing is that we can only upload MP4 files. The second thing is that each video has a file size limit of 100 megabytes. In this case, we'll pick one of the videos already saved locally to the website, and then click the Insert Selected button before moving on to the fields below our video. Let's click the pencil icon to edit the video we just uploaded. In the video's description field, we'll want to include alt text that tells users with screen readers just what the video is depicting. Videos in the hero section are only decorative, which means that they're neither descriptive nor informative. And the last thing to know about the video is that it's muted and is set to automatically loop. Once we made our changes, we'll save and then provide a title and description for the video. This time, we'll just leave the link field blank. Now we'll save the page and see what our video looks like. And that ends the walkthrough of our new hero image. We learned where to find the new hero image, how to make a slideshow, and how to add a video to the header. In the next video, we'll show you how to work with the site's menus.